Power plant, turbine engines. What are the major components of a typical gas turbine engine? An air inlet, compressor section, combustion section, turbine section, exhaust section, and accessory section. What determines the amount of air passing through a turbine engine? Compressor speed, forward speed of the aircraft, and air density. What are the two principal types of compressors currently used in turbine engines? Centrifugal and axial flow. How are turbine engine rotor blades attached to rotor discs? Bulb type root, fir tree type root, dovetail type root. Name at least 3 types of combustion chamber systems. Annular, canannular, and reverse flow annular. What is the purpose of the interconnect tubes attached between can-type combustion chambers? For flame propagation during starting. What prevents burning of combustion chambers? Cooling air along the inside of the liner. What are carbon seals used for in-turbine engines? As oil seals for the rotor shaft bearings. What are the desired effects of turbine engine compressor field cleaning? Removal of contaminant deposits from interior engine surfaces and improved engine performance. What is the main operating difference between turbofan and turbojet engines? The air that flows through the fan section of a turbofan engine bypasses or flows around the outside of the core engine instead of through it. What methods are commonly used to accomplish turbine engine compressor field cleaning? Fluid wash and abrasive grit blast. Name an advantage of a turbofan over a turbojet. Additional thrust without increasing fuel flow. What are the functions of axial flow turbine nozzles? They prepare the mass airflow for driving the turbine rotor and deflect the gases to a specific angle. What are some ways of relieving thermal stress on the turbine disc? By directing bleed air on the face of the disc or by the grooving in the turbine disc. What type of compressor blade damage may be found when inspecting compressor blades? Dents, galling, pitting, cracks, scratches, burrs, burns, and gouges. What is used to mark both hot and cold section parts for repair? Layout die, commercial felt tip marker, or chalk. What is the effort of relative humidity on turbojet or turbofan power? Negligible. What may be the indications if a turbojet or turbofan engine is out of trim. The engine has high exhaust gas temperature at the target engine pressure ratio for takeoff power. What would be the possible cause for a turbojet or turbofan engine having high exhaust gas temperature, low RPM, and high fuel at all engine pressure ratio settings? Possible turbine damage or loss of turbine efficiency.